Every student at MAGES is equipped with a comprehensive knowledge of their art, along with their practical skills, be it a game developer, a designer, an animator, or an artist. This in turn allows them to be freely creative and distinctive in their work. At MAGES, we believe that software is simply the tool. Our main learning focus is the art of animation, which is vast, encompassing both storytelling aspects and the physics of believable motion. Students are taught to observe, analyze, and dissect movement at its core. The assignments are time-bound and follow studio-like workflows, so students are industry-ready at the end of the program. They are acquainted with methodologies which allow them to be productive right away.
We keep the class size smaller. It gives an opportunity for a student to know the faculty really well. They're artists, programmers, industry practitioners. They're amazing at what they do. The faculties here know what the students can do. The students don't know how far they can take it. And once they realize it, it's a huge opening for them.
We at One Animation are very impressed with the quality of work coming out of MAGES Institute. The fact that these students can learn this much work in 11 months shows that they have the competitive edge required to compete in our industry.
It's important when you're starting out a game that you actually do a bit of research ahead of time. So that's why here at MAGES we actually teach the students board games first so that they can actually practice out the rules of their games and see what a game feels like when it's actually being played and see what type of fun the game generates. Once they finish that phase, then they can go on to the production phase.
In MAGES, we try to immerse our students in an experience as close as possible on game production in the real world. They will go through several stages in pre-production, production, and packaging. Each milestone will require them to produce rigid deliverables, which we believe will teach them confidence, competency, and professionalism. We are proud to have proven this effective when we won a prestigious award last year, the Rookies, an international development competition where we got Game of the Year.
Being student in MAGES has been extremely fulfilling. Here, I can improve my creativity, learn and express it through my art. Students come from many different places with various backgrounds and nationalities, so it's a great experience to meet them and learn their culture.
Creating CG characters is complex, so I would emphasize a lot on understanding the fundamentals before creating complex characters. Understanding to silhouettes, shapes, forms, muscle, and how these work in a layer is very important. Usually I break down these kind of complex structures in a form of Lego.
With every new game, computer graphics have become more complex and can support AAA quality visuals. To be in par within the industry expectations, the students at MAGES understand the next-gen art pipeline. This helps the student to develop a strong portfolio and industry ready.
The instructors are great, just like family. Do you know why? Because they're always there for us, always willing to walk the extra mile just to help us out. And every day, they encourage us to do better.
The origins of MAGES Studio actually are linked to MAGES Institute, right? So the students at that point of time were doing such amazing work as a part of their final year projects with industry partners that they actually wanted to go into full-scale production and create commercial solutions with the work. There were two things that we realized. The first is that we can't actually do commercial production as a part of the institute. And the second thing was that there is a huge opportunity in production for emerging technology. And that's how actually MAGES Studio was born. So we're still very grateful and very proud that we can continue this working relationship with MAGES Institute, where we still work with a lot of the students here during their final year projects in collaboration with some of our clients. And at the same time, we get to hire some of the best talent that comes out of the institute, including super skilled and super passionate game designers, 3D artists, and programmers.